Good day, everyone. I am Aramay Irenegado, and today I will discuss my project about discrete probability using the scenario of a family history of diabetes. First, let me introduce the concept that I choose. Discrete probability is a branch of mathematics that measures the chance of or likelihood that a specific event will happen from a set of possible outcomes. In my activity, I applied this concept to a family situation. Since diabetes can sometimes run in families, I wanted to estimate the probability of another family members having or developing diabetes based on family history. Now let me explain the important terms I used in my model. The first is the sample space. The sample space represents the complete set of all family members being observed. In my example, S is equals to family father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, son, and daughter. Since there are 6 family members, the value of S is equals to 6. The second term is the event. The event refers to the family members who have diabetes. In my model, A is equals to father, grandmother, and grandfather. Since there are 3 affected members, the value of N of A is equals to 3. So next is the probability formula. Since my data come from observed family history, I used experimental or observed probability. For my scenario, the formula becomes probability is equals to number of members with diabetes over the total numbers of family members. So substituting these values, it will become 3 over 6, and when you divide it, it will become 0.5 or 50%. This means that the probability or percentage of having diabetes based on the family history is 50%. My model shows how discrete probability can be applied in real-life situations, especially in understanding hereditary diseases like diabetes. Although this is only a simplified mathematical model and not a medical diagnosis, it helps us understand how probability can be used to analyze patterns within families. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.